Welcome to Learn Simply. Today we will learn about adverb definition and types of adverb. Adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. It tells when, where and how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of an action. Adverbs end with the letter Y, but some words which end with letter Y such as friendly are not adverbs. Example, John always wants to play. She loves him very much. He runs very fast. Mary works hard. First type of adverb is consecutive adverb. It connects phrases or independent clauses. It provides transition between ideas and shows relationships. Consecutive adverbs are also called connectors. Example, we are trained last night. Nonetheless, the final match has lost. You are not fit. However, I am assigning you to work. Last season, there were good players. Consequently, we failed to win. Sentence adverb. It starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. Example, hopefully it will not rain today. Apparently we are winning this match. Certainly I did not work for him. Adverbs of time or frequency. It indicates time or frequency of the action in sentence. They answer the question when, how, frequently is the action performed. Always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, etc. Example, he went to the school a little late yesterday. She always scores good marks. He will return on Monday. He drinks occasionally. Adverbs of place or direction that indicate place or direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question where is the action performed. Across, over, under, in, out, through, backward, there, around, here, sideways, etc. Examples, he has gone through the jungle. She plays in the field. John is going to school. Adverbs of degree. How much? Adverbs that expresses the importance or degree, level of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of degree. They answer the question how much is the action performed. Completely, nearly, entirely, less, mildly, most, thoroughly, somewhat, etc. Example, she completely narrated the story. I watched the movie thoroughly. I am so excited about the holiday trip. Adverbs of manner. How? Adverbs that expresses the manner, approach, process of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question how is the action performed. Beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, handily, quickly, etc. Example, let's divide fruits equally. Please handle the glass vases very carefully. John walks slowly. Mary running is fast. Next tutorial video you will learn about preposition definition and types of preposition. For detailed explanation and other tutorial videos, please visit our website www.learnsimply.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to keep updated with our next upcoming tutorial video. Thank you for watching and share the information with your friends and family. Keep learning, learn simply. Thank you for watching.